That was frightening. Yeah. That should keep her entertained for a while, which should be good. More wild raspberries. Oh. They're better than the farmed kind. They're a bit smaller, but they're a lot more flavorful. Yeah, here's more fields. There's a pond back there in the trees. Which was fun. Growing up with like an aquatic biologist for a mother, like she specialized in like pond and stream stuff. It was always a lot of fun to go to the pond and like do tadpole things and look at bugs and stuff. So yeah, that's why I know and talk a lot about that. Anyone who's been around me around water stuff. And this is, the cows used to come in through here to go to the barn and get milked. And you can see it's starting to grow up now that there's not been cattle on the ground for a while. Usually that'd be short grass because it's been being eaten. And this would be all mud and stuff because they keep tramping through it to get to the barn. It's kind of depressing to see a farm that's, you know, kind of ending. Oh well. That's all I can think of to show you from the outside right now. Yeah, if everything's going good everywhere else.